it's time to grow my hair with me again. So in today's video, we're going to be making this amazing hair butter with this ingredient. Trust me, this is one of the best hair butters I have ever made in my life. So we have curry leaves, shea butter, which is our butter base, rosemary, thyme, and cloves. So as usual, I like to crush my stuff. You can just use it like that if you think you do not have a crusher or you think there's no point, but I like to crush it so that I'll have better, extract from the ingredients. So here I try to crush my leaves with the dry ingredients, and you can see I can't even see the leaves again. So I got a pan, transferred it, and I used this particular oil. You can use any hair growth oil of your choice. So I'm going to put it on the burner for low heat, infusing. So at this point, I try to mix it very well to ensure that every single ingredient is covered in oil. I turned it off at this point and allowed it sit while I go and dissolve my butter. Now, one of the reasons why I love to use covered butters like this to dissolve my butter is because it actually prevents water from getting in. Some people can actually use this plate by the side to dissolve it because it's glass, some use plastic, but I think using bottles like this would actually prevent any moisture from going in. So at this point, I was done putting all the butter in the bottle. And the next thing I did was to get like a bowl of hot water to put it in. After a while, I noticed that it actually wasn't melting as fast as I would want it to melt. And I had to just improvise by getting hot pot of water, like a boiling water, and I put it in there to dissolve. So while this was going on, I decided to sieve my oil. And you can see how rich this is. So after I finish sieving it, the only step remaining would be to pour in this natural oil into our melted butter. So I got my melted butter from the stove, and you can see it's melted, and look at how rich it looks. And I just went ahead to pour in this infused oil, and voila, our natural butter is ready. Just give it a stir and natural butter is actually ready. Now, like I said in the beginning, this is like the best natural butter I have ever made because it softens the hair and actually grows the hair. So you might want to consider subscribing at this point. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.